Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: how to be financially independent. Financial independence means having enough income to cover your living expenses for the rest of your life without needing to be employed or dependent on others. This journey requires planning, discipline, and strategic decisions. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your approach, this video will provide you with actionable steps to achieve financial independence. Remember, this is not financial advice. 1. Understanding financial independence. Financial independence is about having control over your finances. It means being able to support yourself and your lifestyle without relying on a traditional job or other people. It's not just about having a lot of money. It's about managing your money wisely and making it work for you. Achieving financial independence doesn't happen overnight. It requires a clear understanding of your financial situation, a commitment to smart financial habits, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Here are some key principles to guide you. Diversify your sources of income. Relying solely on a regular job can be risky. Consider diversifying your income through various sources such as investments, side businesses, or passive income streams. This not only provides financial security but also accelerates your journey towards independence. Control and reduce unnecessary spending. One of the fundamental steps to financial independence is mastering your spending habits. Identify areas where you can cut costs without sacrificing your quality of life. This could mean cooking at home more often, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding more cost-effective alternatives for regular expenses. Regularly save a portion of your income. Saving is crucial. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. This fund can serve as an emergency buffer and can be invested to grow your wealth over time. Automate your savings to ensure consistency and reduce the temptation to spend. Make smart investments to grow your wealth. Investing is key to building long-term wealth. Learn about different investment options such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Diversify your portfolio to balance risk and return, and consider seeking advice from financial professionals if needed. Before we go to the second part of the video, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 2. Creating a financial plan. A solid financial plan is your roadmap to financial independence. It provides direction and helps you stay focused on your goals. Here's how to create one. Set clear financial goals. Define what financial independence means to you. Is it retiring early? Traveling the world? Owning a home? Having specific, measurable goals will help you stay motivated and on track. Write down your goals and break them into short-term, medium-term, and long-term objectives. Budgeting. A budget is a crucial tool for managing your finances. Track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to help you stay organized. Ensure that your budget aligns with your financial goals and allows room for savings and investments. Emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having an emergency fund is essential for financial security. Aim to save at least 3-6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. This fund will protect you from unexpected expenses and prevent you from falling into debt. Debt management. High-interest debts can hinder your progress towards financial independence. Focus on paying off debts as quickly as possible, starting with those that have the highest interest rates. Consider strategies like the debt avalanche or debt snowball method to stay motivated. Example: if your goal is to retire early, calculate how much you'll need to save and invest to make that happen. Consider factors such as your desired lifestyle, expected expenses, and potential sources of income in retirement. Use retirement calculators to estimate your needs and create a savings plan accordingly. 3. Building multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, especially in today's volatile job market. Building multiple income streams can provide financial security and accelerate your journey to financial independence. Here's how to build multiple income streams. Side hustles. Find ways to earn extra money through freelance work, consulting, or a part-time job. Side hustles can leverage your existing skills and interests, providing a flexible way to increase your income. Popular side hustles include freelance writing, graphic design, tutoring, and ride-sharing. Investments. Invest in stocks, bonds, or real estate to generate passive income. Investing allows your money to work for you, creating wealth over time. Start by educating yourself about different investment options and choose those that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Online businesses. Consider starting an online business such as blogging, e-commerce, or online courses. The internet provides numerous opportunities to create and scale businesses with relatively low startup costs. Identify a niche you're passionate about and explore ways to monetize it. Dividend income. Invest in dividend-paying stocks to receive regular income. Dividends are payments made by companies to their shareholders, typically from profits. Dividend stocks can provide a steady stream of income, which can be reinvested to grow your wealth further. Tip: start small and gradually diversify your income streams. This reduces risk and allows you to manage your time and resources effectively. As you gain experience and confidence, you can explore additional income opportunities. 4. Smart investing. Investing is crucial for growing your wealth. It's not enough to save money. You need to make your money work for you. Here are some smart investing strategies. Start early. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Thanks to the power of compound interest, even small investments can grow significantly over time. Start investing as early as possible, even if it's just a small amount each month. Diversify. Spread your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. Diversification reduces the impact of poor performance in any one investment and can improve your overall returns. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. Research. Educate yourself about different investment options and strategies. Stay informed about market trends and economic factors that can affect your investments. Read books, follow financial news, and consider taking courses to enhance your knowledge. Professional advice. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. A professional can help you create a tailored investment strategy, manage your portfolio, and navigate complex financial situations. Choose an advisor who is a fiduciary, meaning they are legally obligated to act in your best interest. Example: invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate to balance risk and reward. For instance, you might allocate 60% of your portfolio to stocks, 30% to bonds, and 10% to real estate. Adjust your allocation based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. 5. Lifestyle choices and mindset. Achieving financial independence often requires lifestyle changes and a shift in mindset. Here are some key aspects to consider. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation and keep your expenses lower than your income. This means making conscious decisions about your spending and prioritizing saving and investing. Focus on needs rather than wants, and find joy in simple, cost-effective activities. Continuous learning. Keep educating yourself about personal finance and investing. The financial world is constantly evolving, and staying informed can help you make better decisions. Read books, listen to podcasts, and attend workshops to enhance your knowledge. Long-term perspective. Focus on long-term goals rather than short-term pleasures. Financial independence requires patience and perseverance. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and understand that building wealth takes time and consistent effort. Stay disciplined. Stick to your financial plan even when it's challenging. Life can throw curveballs, but staying committed to your goals will pay off in the long run. Review your plan regularly and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Tip: surround yourself with like-minded individuals who support your financial goals. Join communities or groups focused on financial independence and share your journey with others. Having a support system can keep you motivated and provide valuable insights. Financial independence is a journey that requires planning, discipline, and patience. By setting clear goals, managing your finances wisely, building multiple income streams, and making smart investments, you can achieve financial independence. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep and grow. Start by taking small, manageable steps towards your financial goals. Celebrate your progress along the way and stay focused on the bigger picture. With determination and the right strategies, financial independence is within your reach. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on financial independence and personal finance. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.